Welcome to Review Detective, guys. For those that are new here, we're a product review channel in which we give our average consumer's point of view and tell you if the product is worth buying or not. Recently, we got our hands on the Movie Maker 2 set from Grip Gear, and in today's video, we're gonna tell you what you can expect from this budget motorized slider. Inside the box, we find the slider itself, plus all the accessories needed to use it with either a phone or a compact camera. The extendable track comes in two parts, which are joined together by the reinforced middle joint. When assembled, the track is quite light and can be adjusted by the extendable legs on each side, or used with a single tripod, but we strongly recommend two for greater stability. All mounting points are 1/4 inch, so any conventional tripod will work fine. The slider's motor is mostly made of plastic but feels well built. It has 9 speeds ranging from 4 mm per second to 1000 mm per second. The speeds can be changed either from the motor itself or by using the infrared remote, which can change speed and direction. The slider can be used horizontally with all cameras less than 1.7 pounds or vertically if the camera is less than 750 grams. You can even use the slider upside down, and on top you'll find a handy screen which shows current speed used. The motor has an internal rechargeable battery that lasts for about 1 hour of continual use. But you can also use it with an external power bank, which greatly extends that time. To put the motor on the track, you'll need to pull the yellow pin from the side and push it back once you chose the desired position. You can also pull the pin to use the slider manually. To mount the camera, you have to use the all-metal mount, which attaches to the motor by tightening the side screw. You can then add either a compact camera, an action camera like a GoPro, or you can use the phone adapter to attach your smartphone. We particularly like how easily adjustable the mount is, giving you great flexibility when shooting. Additionally, you can use the handy loop function, which makes the motor rebound in the other direction when the end of the track is reached. Talking about the track, it's worth noting that when the motor reaches the middle, you'll notice a slight vibration in your footage, which can ruin some shots. On the upside, the Movie Maker 2 set comes with a 360 panoramic mount, which can turn at a rate of 140 minutes for a full 360 degrees turn or 1 minute for a full turn. So overall, we really enjoyed the Movie Maker 2 set. We use it quite often in our own videos. The build quality is good, and for $129, it'll be hard to find a better motorized slider. For those that are curious, here are a few video samples. As you can see, the different shooting possibilities add to the versatility of the whole set, and we would definitely recommend it. Now, as always, if you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and we'll see you next Friday. Until then, Review Detective out.